Here's how to use confidential mode in Gmail. First, compose a new email. At the bottom of the Compose window, you should see an icon that looks like a lock and a clock. Click on that icon to turn on confidential mode. A confidential mode dialog box will appear. Here, you can set an expiration date for the email, choosing from options like 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. You can also choose whether to require a passcode. If you select No SMS Passcode, recipients can open the email directly. If you select SMS Passcode, recipients will need to enter a passcode sent to their phone to view the email. Once you've selected your settings, click Save. Then, finish composing your email and click Send. If you chose the SMS passcode option, Gmail will prompt you to enter the recipient's phone number. After that, Gmail will send the email, and recipients will have to follow the steps to verify their identity and view the content. And here's what the email looks like when the recipient gets it. Once they open the email, they cannot access the contents of the email, including the attachments, until they enter the passcode. The passcode will be sent to their phone number which you provided. Once they have correctly entered the passcode, they can view the confidential email.